Hi and hello, welcome to Goa My Goa Vlog with Albert Pinto. Goa Siridao beach is located in the North Goa district. As you move on a little ahead on the hilltop, you will reach the chapel of Jesus of Nazareth. There are no shacks, sunbeds, or any water sports available. This beach is more popular with locals than tourists as there are hardly any people on the beach. The beach is a less explored or less populated beach. Public buses are plying up to the main road, therefore one needs to walk through the village to reach the beach and the chapel. Therefore, most suitable way is to ride or drive. All along the beach you can find boats that are used by the local fishing community. You can chill out on the beach for a short period as there is hardly anything to expect, but just worth waiting to see the sun setting, which was just mesmerizing. location, a great place to spend quiet evening. Just watch the waves and then the sun setting down.